Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you some of my jewelry designs for Valentine's Day and other occasions. I hope you will enjoy this video. These heart pendants are from my glitter leaf and glitter collection. They are made with polymer clay and microfine glitter and have been varnished to prevent the varnish from rubbing off. The silver-plated chains are all nickel-free and about 18 inches in length. They close with a lobster clasp, which is big enough to open and close. I know from experience how fiddly the small ones are. I also have made the glitter leaf collection with cat designs. These pretty heart pendants are from my Faux Dichroic collection. I made these with polymer clay and artificial silver leaf and alcohol inks in various colors. The silver-plated chains are also 18 inches long and close with a big lobster clasp. And if your loved one likes cats, I also have made these as cat pendants. These heart pendants are more unusual. They glow in the dark. To get this effect, all you need to do is shine a torch on it and turn the light off. You can also find a snake in this collection and some cats. My next heart pendants are from my Mokume Gane collection. For this effect I used the ripple blade. If you want to make a bold statement, I got that covered too. As you can see, these hearts are all way bigger than the others. They are also made with polymer clay acrylic paints and textures. And for the steampunk hearts, I used real watch parts. These hearts are made with special effect paints and resin. I absolutely love these as it is just fun to watch how the paint changes its pattern. I also made these in a shape of a leaf and in cameo frames. If you prefer your heart smaller, I got you covered. These pretty hearts are made with copper clay. They are fired in the kiln and treated with liver of silver to give them their antique look. You can also find other pendant designs in my copper clay collection. And if you don't want to go for hard designs, how about these unusual folded pendants? These are also made with polymer clay. And finally, I want to show you these colorful pendants from my Mosaiko collection. They hang on an 18-inch long Buda cord. To open and close these, you have to press the end bits like so and pull. To close it, hold and push. I also have earrings in this collection. You can find more earrings in my Mosaiko collection. I hope I have given you plenty of ideas for Valentine's Day and beyond. You can find the jewelry shown here on my website helenka.whitedesign.com. Links to my collections are in the video description. If you liked this video, please make sure to comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Until next time.